How to change your profile picture on YouTube in mobile. So if at the end of this you find this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change your profile picture on YouTube using your mobile phone, go ahead and open the YouTube application. Then select the YouTube account where you want to change your profile picture. Click on You at the bottom right. Click on View Channel. Click on Edit Profile. Then you see your profile picture. Click on the camera icon. Select camera or gallery, or you can even go to Google Photos. So select your new profile picture. Select it. Click on Preview to preview. Click on Done. Click on Done again. Then come here and crop out the unwanted part. After that, click on Save as Profile Picture. After that is going to help you to change your profile picture on YouTube in mobile. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.